Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to activate your Vanilla Visa gift card. Whether it's for shopping, gifts, or personal use, activating your Vanilla Visa gift card is a quick and easy process. Follow these simple instructions to get started. Step 1. Find the activation website. Open your web browser and go to the official Vanilla gift card activation page. https://www.vanillagift.com. Step 2. Locate the card information. On the home page, you will be asked to enter your card number. This number can be found on the front of your Vanilla Visa gift card. You will also need the 3-digit CVV security code, which is located on the back of the card. Step 3. Enter your card details type in the 16-digit card number and the CVV code exactly as they appear on your card. You may also need to enter your zip code for verification purposes. Step 4. Create a PIN if needed. Some cards may require you to create a personal identification number PIN for use at ATMs or for certain purchases. Follow the prompts to create a PIN if necessary. Step 5. Complete the activation process. After entering the required information, click the Activate button to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message that your Vanilla Visa gift card has been successfully activated and is now ready for use. Step 6. Start using your card. Once activated, your card is ready for use at millions of locations worldwide, both online and in-store, wherever Visa is accepted. Be sure to check your balance before making any purchases. Pro tips: make sure to keep your card safe and report any loss or theft immediately to Vanilla Gift Card Customer Service. You may want to register your card on the Vanilla website for added security and easy tracking of your card balance.